Hello traders, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. Initially today we had a gap up in Nifty spot, and as per my yesterday's video, I clearly shared that Nifty had posted a very strong momentum at the close. After the gap up, we saw an intraday high close to 18,420, 419, which was looking pretty strong. But probably one thing, if you notice that RSI had tested 71, and if this rally, if you just check for once, this was just a one-sided rally, and just generally a one-sided rally do not sustain in the markets. Also, there was a gap over here, and at times you know that markets have a way of filling gaps, and after the filling gaps, they start moving up ahead. So as per in my Nifty analysis, it is pretty normal for Nifty to come down, retrace. As far as it is above 18,300 to 18,280, things are fine. This is the support, small short-term support band, 18,305 to 18,282 or 280. So within this band, it is fine. And also, if you check with this band, there is one more previous high, which is now a support, which was earlier a resistance. Now it has become a support. So as far as Nifty spot is above 18,300 to 80, things are fine. But as soon as we drop below it, there could be a few problems. Also, if you check today's candle, it has been pretty surprising, especially after two back-to-back bullish candles. We have a small inverted hammer. These seems to be pretty surprising, but probably we'll come to know in next 1 or 2 days that whether the support breaks or the momentum continues on the upside. The draggers in the Nifty were probably banking pack first. There is one more sector which I'll talk about it. First was the banking pack. It gave a short-term breakout above this symmetrical triangle, above 44, 44.50. But it did sustain, although till mid-noon. But after that, Bank Nifty started coming down. Although in daily time frame chart, the trend is still up. But if you see the candles, especially these 2 to 3 candles, the size of the candle is getting smaller and smaller. It means we are continuously in a range and we are consolidating, nothing much. Especially the private banks were responsible for dragging Bank Nifty down. The first one is obviously the HDFC Bank, second one is Axis Bank a little bit, and third one is Kotak Bank. So all the private banking stocks were responsible for dragging Bank Nifty and Nifty spot on the downside. And if you check PSU banks, they have given a decent close on the upside. Yes, in the last, there has been a little bit of selling. I completely agree to that. But if you see the daily chart, the overall candles have been better than the private banking stocks. Again, we have Canara Bank over here and the SBI. One another sector which dragged Nifty on the downside was the IT pack. If you check stocks like TCS, yesterday itself I clearly shared in my video that it's too early possibly to say that whether we are in a trend reversal or something else, because if you check the stocks in IT pack have rallied vertically on the upside, and RSI has shot up and gone clearly to 79 or the 80% mark. If you check even Wipro, see the inverted hammer in this stock. So basically IT and banking pack was responsible for dragging Nifty down. Now there is one stock, Reliance, the king of stocks, where I have few hopes, because the base which has been built in Reliance is pretty decent enough in the daily time frame chart. Although the trend is completely flat, no doubt about that. But if it gives a breakout above 2470 or 2480, the big green candle, and if it continues, moving on the upside, then it could be pretty good help for the Nifty to stay above 18,280, 18,300, and probably we'll see higher levels up ahead. All right. So hope today's video was helpful for all of you to understand how markets will move in the next couple of days. Trade well, stay safe. Thank you.